You see here, this is looks like a camera, right? But it's actually a microscope. How to use it? This is to turn it on. Press this button, wait until it turns on like this. You see this light thing right here? And you press this if you want to have no light. And you press once if you want to have a little bit of light. Press another time if you want to have 2 light. Press one last time if you want to have 3 light. And then it restarts until 0 again. This is to zoom in if you want to look closer and closer. For example, I want to take a photo of this rug. I zoom in to what I want. And then I press the take photo. And then I took a photo and I can see it. If you want to get it out of the photos, you press this button right here and you're back to the microscope camera place here, right here. How do you delete the photo? That's the question my whole family was wondering. I'll show you. You press that. You find the photo you don't want, press this or this. I'm gonna go look for my rug photo that I took. Let's just delete one of these. You keep pressing the same button where you got the photo, and then you press this off button, and then it deletes the photo. This thing is just to keep the camera safe. They're supposed to have a little round thing here that protects the microscope so that when you turn it off, it will protect the screen here, like cameras when you want to not film. Take a photo, you press this button right here. To look at your photos, you press these 3 lines here. To see other photos, you press these 2 lines here. It doesn't matter which way you go in. To delete photos, you keep pressing until it goes to the clue garbage. Then you press this off button once. You deleted the photo. So thank you for looking at this video, the Kids Microscope. And if you ever get one, now you know how to use it. Thank you for watching.